trading with today's live crypto market analysis and trade strategy. This is the London session, and today is July 13th, 2025. I am currently in a short position in Bitcoin. I'll walk you through what I'm seeing here on the 5-minute. So here opening up for London here, observing price action here in this area. Price action has bought into this fair value gap here. So price sold off here into this leg, retrace, sold off again, retrace, sold off again, but not as far, consolidating here, buy side delivery, consolidation, buy side delivery, consolidation, and more buy side delivery. So I'm seeing this as pullback, basically, looking at a leg lower, consolidation here. That's just the overall price action, and buy side delivery. And I'm just looking at this as pullback to this fair value gap here that had yet to be rebalanced here. But I could be looking at this completely wrong, and these fair value gaps here could be in control of price action and deliver price action further to the buy side here. But just looking at this price action from, let's say, from a fair value gap perspective, and from a time perspective, this to me seemed like the most appropriate fair value gap to trade off of here at the London Open. We can see prices consolidating here near my entry. Took an entry right at the open of the session here. A little delayed entry, as getting my station up and running today took a little longer. Was having some connection issues with the internet, but then was able to take an entry, as you can see here, at 117,839.8. So ideally I would have been able to take an entry inside of this candle here, as long as I was able to get an entry by this third candle here. But just a minute later than I wanted to take an entry, but my stop loss is just above this fair value gap candle series high right here, this swing high that's here, and profit target is 90% measured move of the fair value gap candle series here. So the high of the swing high of the fair value gap and swing low of the fair value gap here, 90%, or taking the top of the range and subtract it from the lower end of the range, and then multiplying that by 0.9, getting 90% of the range, and then subtracting that from the lower end of the range gives me this take profit number right here, which is 117,208.6, which is likely a run on liquidity. You see these equal type bottoms here. There'll be sell side liquidity located here. Additionally, can take out the sell side here and any sell side here. Same thing with here, this being like an equal bottom area, sell side here. And then price could also dip down here and get into the sell side liquidity here. So multiple levels of sell side liquidity available. And my trade idea is a short and a sweep into this liquidity pool right here, taking out these liquidity areas here along the way. Getting some buy side delivery here. As price trades deeper into the fair value gap. You can see price has swept this previous session, and I'm late with setting up another session here. Here, 22. More buy side delivery here. There. Getting some sell side delivery here. Color here. And consolidating and back to buy side delivery. See if this order block holds here, or if the current price action here is going to dominate. This could also very well be a long, just because this broke out of this area here. So now it's just a matter of, will it break out of this area here? First, it's got to get through this fair value gap series. Then another series here. But my trade idea is based off the fact that price traded back into this fair value gap here, and just the size of the fair value gap, and also looking at the optimal trade entry, and I'm seeing this as the optimal trade entry. So that's my where I've gotten to with the silver bullet methodology here, is trying to reduce it all to an OTE, which you can see this is well above the 79%, so it could be inaccurate, but this is just based off of this fair value gap that I've targeted this morning for controlling, or at least for controlling the price action. My trade idea is that price return back to this fair value gap, and price will respond to this fair value gap here. So far facing some drawdown since my entry. Price has been delivered overall to the buy side since my entry. Got some sell side delivery in the candle that I did enter here, but since then there's been buy side delivery, and put in a new 5-minute high on two different candles here. Now a new 5-minute candle, and we'll observe what price does here. So small risk on this one, $1.85 risk for a chance for, I believe, a $6 profit. So somewhere around a little over $6 profit. So somewhere around a 4-to-1 reward to risk ratio if this trade were to buy side delivery here. But you can see the price action here, trade into the deeper into the fair value gap here at this area, and then react and sold off here. So we'll see if that price action continues. I missed the the bearish fair value gap. That's right here. It's looking like it's putting in another bullish fair value gap potentially here. So price currently trading near the 117.880 level at 117.889.3. Testing the previous 5-minute candle high, and it has already broken the previous 5-minute candle high. So putting in new 5-minute candle highs here. This is the third one since I took an entry out of 4 candles. 3 candles have put in new 5-minute highs. So facing some drawdown here so far in this position. Price being delivered to the buy side just slightly here. More buy side delivery. Price looking to test the 117.900 level. Wondering if I read this wrong with the opening candle trading lower. That could signal potentially this using the order block here that's lower. So this could be a buying opportunity more so than a selling opportunity. Price trading now near the 117.920 level. This order block may already be rebalanced here. Buy side delivery here. I'm going to test the order block here. I'm going to test the fair value gap series here. So currently testing the fair value gap here, and then potentially here. So with this price action trading lower here, wondering if this is the fair value gap that's being traded off of this morning. So now we're getting, okay, now there's a new high here. Price holding here near the 117,950 level. So pretty much just completely buy-side delivery here. So I would anticipate I would get stopped out of this position. But we'll see. Price doing some consolidation here at the 117,950 level. Finally, some type of reaction to the sell side, and very, very, very slight reaction. But essentially all buy-side delivery since my entry here. Now seeing some sell side delivery. Price holding here and consolidating back at the 117,950 level. So price very close to the high of the fair value gap series and the swing high associated with the fair value gap. So trading right near this area, so I would anticipate price to explode through the fair value gap or begin to slowly sell off down into the opposing direction here. Price consolidating here at the 117,950 level. Price frozen in time here, 117,947.4, less than 1 minute remaining in the current 5-minute candle. Setting up potentially for a swing high here if the next candle closes below. And now we've entered a new 5-minute candle here. That candle also frozen in time here at 117,947.4. Price still frozen in time here, 117,947.4. some sell side delivery here. And a new 5-minute low. Price could also just be tapping into this fair value gap here. There's a buy side fair value gap, or a couple of buy side fair value gaps that have just been created in this buy side delivery. So we'll see if price action wants to trade down through. This is a close above, so this has been neutralized or rebalanced here. Price now trading in between the 117.920 and 117.950 levels, currently at 117.938.2. Just recently put in a new 5-minute low and trading right at a bullish fair value gap here. Price frozen in time here at 117.938.2. A little bit of sell side delivery here as this 5-minute candle trades back to its low. Further sell side delivery here. Buy side delivery with speed. So price reacting to this bullish fair value gap. And consolidation here at the 117.50 level. Now getting sell side delivery. More consolidation. Buy side delivery here. New 5-minute candle. So that candle engulfed the previous 5-minute candle, trading higher and lower. So showing some volatility here at the London Open and getting some buy side delivery here. Not a fan of this price action going the other way aggressively immediately and then just hanging out there and continued buy side delivery. So I would anticipate being stopped out here. Further buy side delivery. This could just be one of these slow grinds to stop out here. Getting my station set up here on the later side. Yeah, I mean, I probably would have taken the long had I been able to sit here and just watch price action trade into these recent fair value gaps. So likely chose the wrong direction here. This price is doing everything I would not want it to do. I've definitely been struggling with trading the London session. Looks like I'm headed for a stop out here and stopped out. $19.64.8. $117.891.5. $117.735.5. 735.5. Okay, let's try this higher fair value gap here. That price reacted from. Okay. So now I re-enter after stopping out based on this next fair value gap here that price action traded into here. So once this fair value gap was traded through, price struggled and reacted heavily once trading into this fair value gap. So I took a position based on my same standards as I used in my first position, and trading a measured move here from the fair value gap, from the opposing fair value gap. I was tempted to set up an order just to have waiting in case price traded into it, but I don't particularly like to discount the trade that I'm in too quickly before I get stopped out of it. But price currently being delivered to the sell side here, price trading near the 117,900 level. So $1.85 risk on the previous trade, $1.70 risk on the current position. About a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio on this trade. Some consolidation here, price trading near the 117,920 level. Let's see, exit 137, entry 140. Excuse me. New 5-minute candle here, price trading and delivering down into these bullish fair value gaps here. Looking at the size of these bullish candles here in this fair value gap, taking a long here, just looking at what my expectations would have been here. Maybe later I'll back test this and see if I would have taken the long had I had more time to watch price action set up. Price holding here near the 117,900 low. So the current short position targeting liquidity here in this zone, here in this zone, and potentially down here. So there's going to be sell side liquidity in these areas that can be targeted here. Price still frozen in time here, 117,909.3. Set the alarm a little earlier. I was just thinking last night, man, what if things are slower getting into a trade or getting my station going or something like that? What if I need to get up a little earlier just so I know it takes time to look at price action to determine how I want to trade. Just wanting to see which order block price action is trading into. So I took the overall price action as opposed to the immediate price action. The immediate price action called for a long position, but the overall price action, as it continues to now, looks like it could be a short, even though the duration of the short is questionable, but this is not a very let's say lengthy type of trade. So this could just be trading pullback. In a potentially overall bullish price action here. But currently sitting in a profitable position as price now continues trading to the sell side, trading near the 117,880 level. About a 2-to-1 risk to reward here on this position. New 5-minute candle here. Price now frozen in time again, 117,891.9 here. Choose this middle order block. At least that's where my mind goes initially. Where's the low? 807. High here. 117,941.9 minus 117,807.3. So now just doing back test here. Further sell side delivery. Price trading at 117.850 level with some speed here being delivered to the sell side. Then added here 117, getting some consolidation now. 117.941.9. 118.63. So had I gone for this, I wouldn't have reached it, at least not to this point. So we have price tapping into this order block and reacting here. So having buy side delivery here with speed. Still no new 5-minute high, but price trading back near the 117.900 level at 117.907.9. Very close to the to a new 5-minute high here. A 5-minute low has already been put in, so this would be an engulfing candle if a new 5-minute high were reached. So there's a small fair value gap in here. Getting some sell side delivery with speed here. And return back to buy side delivery. Still trading at the high of the 5-minute candle. Still trading below the high of the previous 5-minute candle, less than 1 minute remaining in the current 5-minute candle, and new 5-minute candle. And sell side delivery with speed. Price trading near the 117.850 level. And consolidating 117.880. Price holding here 117.882.9. Getting some buy side delivery here. 117.890.2. Buy side delivery, price looking to test 117,900. Buy side delivery with speed 117,920. Price now trading into the bearish order block. Into the bearish fair value gap. And we'll see if there's a reaction or if price is delivered to the buy side through it. Some consolidation here. Further buy side delivery with speed. I just feel like I'm in this thing the wrong way. This thing looks very, very bullish. I may be fighting this. But it does have some work to do to go against me. But it certainly is looking like it can put it in here. Less than 1 minute remaining in the current 5-minute candle. All buy side delivery here. Price trading near 117,950. There's just not much trade to the upside, but it doesn't seem to be trade to the downside either. New 5-minute candle, more buy side delivery here. Potentially putting in another bullish fair value gap. This thing just wants to buy. Price holding here, 117,969.5. Whatever's going to happen here is going to take some time. This could just be consolidating here. This could be buying. This strong reaction here from this fair value gap here could hold and send price trading back lower. A lot of different possibilities here. Also seeing the price action change here a bit with these solid candles here, and then getting these weak candles here, starting to get more solid candles put in here. but I suppose the test will be whether or not price can trade through this high here. Now getting some sell side delivery, price trading back near my entry level, just above my entry level here. And sell side delivery with speed here, price trading at the 117,950 level. And more sell side delivery here. Price now trading near the 117,920 level. We'll see if price continues lower and is able to close this gap, this inefficiency in price here. See if that will close on sell side delivery. Getting some consolidation here near the 117,920 level. Price action could be potentially putting in another swing high here. Less than 1 minute remaining in the current 5-minute candle. Sell side delivery in this new 5-minute candle. Currently testing the lows of the previous 5-minute candle. Price frozen in time here, 117,920.9. And sell side delivery here, a new 5-minute low. So this, I would say there's a higher probability of this swing high forming with the current candle trading below the previous candle. It would have to engulf this candle in order to trade back above and invalidate the swing high. So the probabilities are higher that this will form a swing high than not. So price action shifting from bullish to bearish in appearance here, switching from this swing low to this swing high. Now we're getting sell side delivery with speed here. Price trading near the 117,880 level. This could also just be turning into consolidation here. Price reacting after testing the 10-minute low or 2 candles prior low. Price frozen in time here, 117,888. And some sell side delivery. More sell side delivery. Price currently testing the lows of the current 5-minute candle and reacting from the 117,870 level back to 117,900. So Bitcoin showing some volatility here in the London Open. Now moving into the second hour of trading here in London. Less than 1 minute remaining in the current 5-minute candle. The bullish fair value gap here. Alright, and sell side delivery here. If all goes well, we'll get a take profit here. Price consolidating here near the 117,880 level. But whatever happens here, this could take a while to work itself out. But so far, position is going in my trade direction. So if all goes well, we'll get to take profit here. If not, we'll stop out and look to trade the New York AM session. But 2 trades on Bitcoin here during the London session. First trade, a loss, and second trade currently in, and we'll see how this trade plays out when I check back in here during the New York AM session. But this is On Tilt Trading with today's live crypto market analysis and trade strategy London session.